Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. I know my eyelashes, they're gone. Looks like I have none. So today I'm eating, I have two banh mi's or banh mi's. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. Please let me know. And then I have two egg rolls. I got two different ones because I've never tried these. I've never had a banh mi before. So I got two to see how it is. Whoa, that's so nice. Okay, so I got a tofu one and a pork one. They cut this one in half, but they didn't cut the other one in half. So I'm gonna get a knife. Okay, so yeah, I got one that it has grilled pork. Oh, you can't even see it. One with grilled pork, one with tofu, like fried tofu. And then with pork, I added an egg. And I got extra mayo on both. So this is what they look like. You can even see. There we go. And then that's not gonna stay up. And then this is the tofu one. I'm gonna present this real quick. This is just looking bad. Let's put these all up here. How am I gonna do a thumbnail? You can't even see. I won't focus. There we go. Best I can do. So this is the tofu one. Whoa. That is wow. I don't even know what to say. And here are the egg rolls. I'm gonna put those. Can you see them there? Can you see them there? I have 3 egg rolls. See them? All right. So good. That is so good. And that's the tofu one, by the way. And this is the grilled pork. Woo. I didn't get to buy any pork. That is really, really good. So good with the egg. And then the carrots are kind of sweet. I really like that. Oh, hopefully I got a good thumbnail. I think this is a little better. I hope it is. Is everything good? Decent? Push the pillow away. In this video, I kind of wanted to talk about my worst serving experience because I'm a server, and my worst serving experience was pretty recent, and it was very, very like annoying. And I have water because I had Thai tea, but it was so good and I finished it. So basically I had these, it was a table of 3. Did I just put 5? Table of 3. And first it started out with 2 because they were waiting on 1. And when I came outside to ask them what they wanted to drink, they said that they wanted 1 mimosa and the other one wanted I think water because she was pregnant. Excuse me. Oh, this is my Thai tea, but she was pregnant, so I went and I brought them their drinks, and I asked them if they wanted me to wait for the third person to come so that I could take their order for food. They said okay. And then so that's what I did. And then the third person came, and she was mad that we didn't have bottled water because she didn't want to have water, and she was talking about how she was bougie. The fresh jalapeno is so good in there. And they said that this is their fish sauce. So anyway, I bring her water. She also wanted a coffee. I brought her a coffee. Then she wanted a pitcher of mimosas. So I brought all of that out. And then it's time to order food. They ordered so much food. I don't even remember what they ordered, but everyone got at least 2 meals. Not meals, but everyone got at least 2 different entrees. So it took a while to get their food out. This tofu one is my favorite. But it took a while to get everyone's food out. So when I finally brought the food out, I was missing a side of potatoes because I guess everybody wanted a side of potatoes, but only 2 asked for a side of potatoes. So I went and got that, brought it to them. After that, checked on them. Every time I checked on them, they were fine. And I don't like constantly, like if I check on you at least twice and you tell me you're fine, then I'm gonna wait like for a while to check on you again, because I don't want to keep checking on you, because I've done that and then people thought that I was rushing them when really I just don't want to miss anything. So, what was I talking about? Oh yeah. So I hadn't been checking on them. Like, no, I'm not gonna say I haven't been checking on them. But after those 2 times, I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I go again, but this time I'll be like, oh, just came to take some plates out the way, when really I just don't want to like be like, oh, can I get you guys anything? Are you guys doing okay? For a 3rd time. So I'm clearing the table and they're like, okay, can we just, they're like, oh, can we get the check? And I'm like, yeah, are you guys gonna be together or separate? And, you know, it's 3 of them. And the first 2, I was thinking they were like going to pay together, but is this confusing? Basically, it's 3 of them. And the lady that joined them afterwards was like, I'm going to be on my own tab. And there was, the person sitting next to her was like, I'm going to be on her tab. And I was just like, oh, okay. Which is crazy because the one that she came with, I was here thinking that she would be on her tab. So I split it in 2. The bill was like $121. I didn't split it in 2, but I separated it. But altogether it was $121. And this was my last table of the day. So I was like, this table is gonna top it off for me. Like, their tab is $121. And, you know, this is just gonna be my last table with a pretty good tip. So I go out there to get some more plates. And I see that they both wrote $0. So I'm like, you know, don't panic yet because they might leave cash. And after I took out those plates, they're still sitting there for a little bit. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go see if they need anything else. So I go ask, and they're like, oh, can I get a bag? One of them's like, oh, can I get a bag? And I'm like, yeah, no problem. And I'm looking through the table, seeing no cash still. And then a part of me is like, should I even get this bag? Like, you guys aren't leaving me anything. Like, why do you even need a bag? You know? Oh yeah, I did bring them to-go boxes. because one of them didn't finish her food, and the other one was like, I'm gonna take her food to go. And I don't know, I can't eat after people like that. Like, I just can't do that. So I bring them the bag, and then a few minutes later, I see them getting up to leave. And I'm like, all right. Yeah, so they're leaving, and like I see them walking out to their cars. Check the table, nothing. They both left nothing. And then so I'm staring at them as they're going to walk to the car. Look at who is throwing up in the grass. Like, you come here, you run up your tab, and then you leave nothing, and then you throw up in the grass. And I forgot to mention, guys, they were sitting outside. So she was literally throwing up close to the patio. A little hair, I don't know. But she's throwing up close to the patio. And then, what happened? Yeah, so my manager's seen her throw up, and he's like, how much alcohol did you give them? And I was like, but the one that was throwing up, she was the one that was pregnant. I was like, I only sold them a glass and a pitcher, but she was pregnant, so she didn't drink any, obviously, unless she's one of those. She looked like she'd be one of those. But yeah. So that was it. I don't know if I was dramatic with saying that was my worst experience, but it pretty much was my worst experience. Because it doesn't matter what you do. You can be the nicest server, but if they don't want to tip you, they're not going to tip you. No money. Nothing. Nothing. I'm a $121 tab. It's so crazy because you just have to go with your gut, really, because I had a table once. It was a party of 16. They were so nice, so understanding, like so sweet, so patient. And they ended up leaving me with $146 that night. Well, that day. Then right after them, I had a table of 10. I get to them to order their drinks. They already have attitude. So I'm like, oh, okay. Because my table was 16, they were nice. So I decided that I was just gonna take a chance, not add gratuity, because they're probably gonna, you know, she told me she would take care of me, and she did. But my table of 10, with their attitude, oh yeah, I'm adding gratuity. Excuse me. I am not taking that chance. Because you're being rude to me already? And I'm getting your drinks? And I was like, one of them ordered a pitcher just for herself. And I thought I heard glass. Actually, wait. I'm not even sure if it was my fault or the bar's fault. But I came to her, I like brought it to her, and she's like, I ordered a pitcher. Whoa. First of all, who are you talking to like that? Who? You have to have so much patience to be a server. And if you don't have that, go ahead and clock out. But yeah, I got both of these sandwiches from Viet Witch. Really, really good. I give the pork a 9 out of 10, and I give the tofu 1 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully I was louder in this video, because my last video, I was talking so quietly, and I don't know why. And I'm sorry for all the background noise. There was so much background noise, but I watched it. When I was watching it, I was like, I can't remake a reaction to something, so I'm just gonna post it. And yeah, I felt like the last video was for like, I don't know what I'm saying. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting my videos. Thank you guys for subscribing. Hopefully if you are new here, you are subscribing after this video. Please check out my other videos. I did just start this channel, and I know I don't have that many videos, because I know that when I find a YouTuber that I like to go through all their videos. And then you see my selection of videos and you're like, but yeah, so let me know if you guys want me to do more mukbangs, story times. I have a pretty boring life, so I don't have story times. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video. I don't know what I'm eating next, but it's probably gonna be something homemade. Probably some Alfredo. And it will probably be an ASMR for Alfredo. I'll probably do ramen too. And that'll be an ASMR also. But you know, mukbangs. With mukbangs, you have to eat like... I'm running on, but sorry guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. And I'm sorry about... I know, I'm talking again. I'm sorry about the quality. I'm recording on my phone. And until I get a camera, this is all I can offer. Please take me as I am. Okay, thank you, bye.